Boses ba?
Yan, tignan mo. Wag ako na. Tignan mo.
I would see the star, how I wonder what you are.
Above the moon, so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Magandang.
When nothing shines upon, and you show your little light. Twinkle, twinkle, all the night.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above
Ay, hindi. Ay,
twinkle, star, how I wonder what you are.
Anong wala pang sumpong?
Galing ni Tata.
Like a diamond in the sky.
Yay! Nakailugan dali.
Oo, papadala natin yan sa internet.
Ako talaga naman Sara, ano?
Alam mo ba?
Mayroon mo yan.
Take me back into arms I love. Need me like you did before. Touch me once again and remember when there was no one that you wanted more. Don't
Ayos ka.
you know you break my heart. She won't love you like this.
Tapos may kapaset. Yung kapaset yung maano.
I'm the one you stay when she was away. And you know I used to
Basahin mo.
give you
Ah,
happy waiting for you.
Basahin mo.
Kamaya.
Here inside my heart, I'm the one who wants to love you more. Do you meant that
Everything.
everything you need?
Let me be.
Let me be the one to love you more.
Bakit nababa? Di mo napansin?
See me as if you never knew. So can't let go. Just believe in me. I will make you see all the things that your heart need to know. I've been waiting for you. Inside my heart, I'm the one who wants to love you more. You will see I can give you everything you need. Let me be the one to love you more. Someday, all the love we have can be saved. Whatever it takes to find a way.
Sino kakanta?
Ano ba lang
Teaching
dito?
out. Ginamit ko yan sa ano.
Ano ba lang dito?
Iinumin ko yung pagbakasyon na. Hindi na tapos? Oo. Hindi, oo. Oo. Hindi.
Baka wag na ako ni Eddie.
Sabay namin yan. Tapos ayun.
May pangalan pa lang sa eskwela. Pagkatapos sa pagkatapos. I survived. Yun yung 28 na yun. Makakatuwa.
Ang talaga ako.
Papadala natin yan kay nanay. Tawagan mo ulit si Kuya Jim.
Oo nga.
Ay, wag mo na akong kuhambong.
Ay, hindi. Sige na.
Yan, Lea. Dali, kuhanan natin yung mami, oh.
Ay, kompleto kayo.
Paano ka sa
Down the night
Dito ka.
Sa Janet na.
and feeling so low. You took my hand and it's my
Family picture pa.
I was a
Biting pa.
slave. You showed me the way. Now I finally found my home in you. I still recall the times I've been through. Confused and didn't know what to do. I almost gave up, but you gave me hope. You made me strong as the days went on. You made me live again.
Ayan ang symptoms talaga ng ano.
Ringo, kung di ka pumunta.
In the dark,
Ibang nakasaya.
Ayaw niya.
with my lonely broken heart.
Wala na.
Then you came along.
Funny.
You took me home and made me your own.
You were always there. You
You were always there to lend a helping hand.
when good
Friends were hard to find. When things went wrong, you made them right. You made my days so bright. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along. You took me home and made me your own. Now look at me. Yes, a different me.
Different na ako ngayon.
Back on my feet again.
yan?
lang. Ladies and gentlemen, the undisputed singing sensation.
Undisputed.
Kala ko dancing queen lang. Singing din ba?
Crazy for feeling so lonely.
Naging kape yung asawa mo. Naging kape.
Ta, sayaw ako ta. Tingin ka dito ta.
Crazy for feeling so blue. I knew you'd love me as long as you wanted. And then someday you'd leave me for somebody new. Worry, why do I let myself worry?
Kaping may.
Wondering what in the world did I do? Crazy for thinking that my love could hold you.
Tamang sentimental tayo yun ah.
Wala pa yung ano.
I'm crazy for trying
Panidrama
and
eh.
crazy for crying and I'm crazy for loving
Naano siya? Piniplay first namin.
crazy.
Bago.
Sa iba yun, yung tatlo.
Thinking that my love could hold you.
Ano?
Isa lang dapat.
Madaig kaya ng pamilyang Tuati.
I'm crazy
Ang ginawa ng Malonzo.
and crazy
Tapatan mo yung pare ha.
and I'm
Nakita mo eh.
crazy
Hinalik ka ni paring Etay si Eddie.
loving you.
Oh. Tapatan mo.
Kasi ang galing ako yung dito mo.
Oo. Pare.
Gaya-gaya tayo.
Hindi kayo gaya-gaya. Si parang Etay siya humalik kay pare Eddie. Si Mari nagpahalik.
Asayaw yan.
What must I do to make you understand?
6.45, kanino kaya yan?
You mean everything to
Ang galing ko na
me.
yung 6.45.
Dami.
Just have the strength to say, give this heart of mine a chance. And maybe then you'll see. I'll do anything that you tell me. I'll be there if you need me. Reaching out to you, do you feel it too? Loving you is all I wanna do. I'm completely sure I never felt this way before. Deep inside, you know that there is something more. High school tayo nito pare, mga second and third year.
Yan.
What must I do so I can make you see the light that shines in my eyes? You brighten up my day. You even help me find my way.
Hindi pumasok.
You're always by my side. And I can't stop thinking of you. I'll do anything to be you.
Ano pinindot mo? Wala.
Reaching out to you. Do you feel can really sure I've never felt this way before. Deep inside, you know that there is something more. Deep inside, you know that there is something.
Paborito ko yun eh.
Ayun yan.
Oo, maganda yung lyrics nun eh.
Ayan, hindi ako iiyak.
Kaya na yan.
Play first mo yan.
Ano yung hindi ako iiyak?
Hindi ko alam. Kaya yung ayos din.
Yung buhok na mahaba.
Agul na lang.
Ang tono, alala yan.
Ang aking tinitimpla na iyan
Wala.
hindi ko malaman kung kulang sa tamis, tasang walang kito sa aking nakatitig. Ako't siya'y naghihintay, basagin ang iyong bibig. Buhok na mahaba, ingat-ingatan ko. Noong isang linggo'y pinaputulan ko ito. Marahil ay pagod lamang ang iyong isipan at hindi tinutulan. Huwag kang mag-alala, di ako iiyak, hindi magdaramdam kahit nagapatang. Ako'y pinulot ko sing dumi ng bura.
Galing ka pa sa kapal.
Iyang pangalan
Kanta na yun eh.
itong aking anak.
Parang ano, hostess?
Oo.
Hindi ko lang gano'ng ano yung mga tono.
Isang dati-dati bukas sa inyong pagdating, ngayon'y nakasara at panangga sa hangin. Pag ikaw ay dumalaw, ito ay katukit. Kahit mahina pa, ito'y aking sasagutin. Kainis ng siling, walang nagkakalang. Medyas at sigarilyo'y walang naghahanap. Sanggol na nasanay, akala ay ama, ngayon'y natutulog ito. Kahit nag-iisa, huwag kang mag-alala, di ako iiyak, hindi magdaramdam kahit nagapatang. Pag-ibig na minsan sa iyo'y dinanas, sa tulad kong putik, tama na at sapat. Huwag kang mag-alala, di ako iiyak, hindi magdaramdam kahit nagapatang. Pag-ibig na minsan sa iyo'y linanas, sa tulad kong putik, tama na at sapat.
Hostess nga.
Hostess.
Tapos pangalawa.
Tapos ng kontrata sa New York, marami kaming pera. I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved
through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, I'll listen to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seems to be I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years.
Si Ate Shirley.
Through the years, when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belonged right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what's love about by loving you through the years.
Natutuwa ako kay Tata. Pinto sa mga brush.
Tumataba nga.
Pareho kayo nagtataba.
Hindi naman ako.
Ano
Ako sa black money. Nakana lang luto.
Nakatatulog ako.
Sa likod.
Together we were strong.
I've always been so
Glad to be with you.
through the years. Never had a doubt. We'll always work things out. By loving you.
Valentine's Day.
Balik.
Nakita mo ba yung design na tayo?
Anong title na yung title doon? Yung kay Dion Warwick.
Happy Valentine's.
Alam ko na yung sinasabi mo na yun. Happy Valentine's.
Happy birthday, dear Harvey.
Ayun.
Oo, same time. May parang. Ayan ba yan?
Walang Facebook yan.
Love this way again.
This way again.
Love this way.
Hey lady, yes lady, closing up your light. You're a discontented mother, and you're regimented wife.
Christmas tapos din.
I've no doubt you
Love
dream
you
about
never love this way again.
the things you never do. But I wish someone had to talk to me like I wanna talk to you. Oh, I've been to Georgia and California, and everywhere I could roam. Took the hand of a preacher man and we made love in the sun. But I run out of places and friendly phrases because I have to be free. I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. This lady,
Wala na ako doon.
this lady, who just walked away. Cause I had this need to tell you
Naiwan sila!
I'm all alone
Pero
today.
maiyak din ako.
I can see so much of me still living in your eyes. Want to share a part of your weary heart. There's live a million lives. to breeze in the Everest, where I sip champagne on the yacht. Move like Harlow and Monte Carlo and show them what I've got. I've been undressed by kings and I've seen some things that a woman ain't supposed to see. I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me.
Daddy, yung kagandahan ng kagaya kay Ninang Gina.
Yun?
Sometimes I've been to New York.
Wala pa. Tagal na ba noon? Di ba may ano yan, narration? Oo. Wala na.
Sometimes I tend to cry for all those children that might make me cry.
Wala na eh.
Portion, no?
I took a sweet life I never knew I'd be bitter from the sweet. I spent my life exploring the subtle horror that costs so much to be free. Hey lady, I've been to paradise,
Patay na yung kumanta niyan eh, di ba? Ka-age.
but I've never
Hindi, yung lyrics pa.
Undressed by kings eh.
Para sa kanya.
Pati preacher, ilan na siya eh. Tapos ng hot cake, hindi yung hot cake.
Never been to me.
Ang ano niyan, parang ano siya, whore. Siya dyan, di ba, sa kanta na yan? Tapos, ano siya, parang kung sino-sino yung nakarelasyon niya, kung saan siya napunta. Pupunan, lahat pupunan. Dahil di ba, ang kukuha mamaya, ito ang kakanta, just one.
Day after day, I must face a world of strangers where I don't belong. I'm not as strong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to who will always care. You're always there when there's no getting over that rainbow. When the smallest of dreams won't come true, I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you.
Ayun yung ano, sauce, yung syrup.
Oy, kailangan mo siya pang galit na daw.
Isa lang. Pwede na yun, isa lang.
So many times when the city seems to be without
Kunin mo na yung
a
syrup.
friendly place, a lonely place. It's nice to know that you'll be there if I need you.
Saka hindi ba tiyak niya?
You'll always
Hindi,
smile.
dalawang pwede.
It's all worthwhile when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest of dreams won't come true, I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you.
Pilipinas ba yan? Ay, hindi.
Touch me and I end up singing. Troubles seem to walk and disappear. You touch me with the love you're bringing. I can really lose when you're near.
Halika na, kakain ka na. oh.
Before my friends have forgotten half their promises and not unkind, it's hard to find. When I look at you and I know that I could learn to live without the rest, I found the best when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest of dreams won't come true, I can't take all stay without you.
Bakit po? Ikaw na daw kumanta.
Mauna ka eh.
Yeah, ikaw pa rin.
Sabi ng lola, ay humanap ng iba. May format, mayaman, kaya wala ewan ko ba kung bakit ay kita. Di ka naman guwapo. Hindi, guwapo ka, no? Kahit malabo ang pagpili ko,
Simple kanta eh, no? Pero,
TL ako sa'yo.
Ibig sabihin ng TL.
Tulo lang ba?
Laway mo.
True love.
True love.
Ikaw ang true love ko. Kaya pala yan?
Hindi ko nga alam.
perfect kung ba?
Sige.
Mahilig sa disco. Lagi sa disco. Lahat ng Sabado.
Ulitin natin ha, ulitin natin.
And when the kids go dance, my friend ko, di ko matin ang gusto. Siya ay inain, ngunit out pa rin. Pobre kong baduy, baduy. Ang boyfriend, ang puti madamit.
Okay, ito mga assistant mo ah.
Ang kung sa forma, mahirap naman.
May training yan eh.
But when we go out dating na, kulay ng polo niya'y pula.
Bakit maganda yun ah?
Berde pa ang sapatos niya, asul ang medyas. Yan lang boyfriend ko, di ko matig ang gusto. Siya ay in, ngunit out pa rin. Ang boyfriend kong baduy, baduy. Ang boyfriend kong
Yan daw
baduy,
siya nakasama.
baduy.
Si Madam na yan.
Ang leader ng mga nasa rin. Pag-diet ka na, oy.
Masama ang teksto ng lugaw para dito.
Nasobrahan eh.
Sa luto eh. Ang luto mo hindi ko napapansin ibang epekto kay Wana. Lahat ng luto.
Marami kasing mga ano yan, seasoning.
Oo nga,
Marami
epekto
veggie.
sa utak yun eh. Hindi ko pala.
Ngunit out pa rin. Ang boyfriend kong baduy, baduy.
Leon. Parang
Tonight.
Tama. Ano ba magsinila siguro kung tatlo?
Anong oras na ba?
11.
Payak naman yan eh.
Simple yan eh.
Ang tagal naman ang intro niya.
Oo nga eh. Kaya mo lang, nilap na sa tuloy.
It won't be easy. It won't be easy.
Original na version. No?
You take it straight.
Okay ka?
When I try to explain
Yan, wag mo muna hugasan yan
how
yan.
I feel, till I still need your
Kami
love.
kumain pa.
After all that I've done,
Pero marunong siya kumatawang si Crazy for You.
you won't believe me.
Pero una, hindi mo
All you will
Ano
see
yung pang-tinig?
is a girl you want
Pero marunong siya kumanta.
until she's tossed up.
Pero gumaling siya. Nung itong mga ulit ah.
Exits and silence with you.
Yung isa pa na
Yan, ito pa yan.
doon sa Don't Cry for Martin. Yung isa pang song sa Every.
I had to let it happen.
Don't Cry.
I had to
Nominated sa Oscar.
change. Couldn't stay all my life down that I never expected it to. Don't
Yun yung version na
cry for
gusto
me,
ko. Yung kay Madonna, yung
Argentina.
gusto ko yan. Mas
The
classic yun.
truth is, I
Kay
never
Madonna,
left
medyo
you.
no, modernize.
All through my wild
Alam mo ba,
days,
mabuntis ako.
magnetic
Hindi naman lumaki ng ganda yung chok ko eh.
I kept my promise.
Palagay ko. Nararamdaman ko.
Ba't delayed ka na?
Ano dito?
Ilan?
Ating yakin, maabutan pa natin.
And ask for fortune,
Antonio
and
Jr.
ask for fame.
Kaya ka malaki ba?
Anton.
Antonio Jr.
Malapit ka na mataba eh.
Antonio.
Ano yan?
Antonio.
O, pakita mo nga sa akin.
They are
Ginaw na ako. Tsaka kay Pal. Ginaw na ako.
the solutions they promised to be.
Ano yan?
The answer was here all the time.
O, sige,
I
sige na.
love you and hope you love me.
Yan na dito, house queen.
Don't cry for me, Argentina. The truth is, I never left you. All through my wild days, my mad existence, I kept my promise.
Kiss niya na doon.
Don't keep your distance.
Parang buti yan ba?
Don't cry for me, Argentina.
Tataasan kayo ng
The truth is, I never left you. All through my wild days, my mad existence,
mukha lang kita mo.
I kept my
Mukha lang
promise.
kita mo.
Ako kala.
Don't keep your distance.
Use your cellphone. Use your cellphone. Mag-hello ka sa cellphone. Hello?
But all you have to do
Hello, Tata. Picture.
that
That picture mo na ay.
is true.
Paliwanag po.
Ako naman.
Parang mag-iyak na tayong lahat.
Ano date?
Ano yung magkano na pa isa yun tayong
Ako
magkano?
nagkanta na yung Live to Tell.
Hindi po kasi dito tayong
Bagal din. Yung yun ang gusto ko eh.
sa ibig na rin.
Ay, oo.
Alam mo yung nakapiano.
Alam ko na
Yun
yun.
ang maganda yung naman
Ganda
sa
nun.
Oscar.
Oo, oo.
Mas maganda yung sa dito.
Ang ganda.
Ngayon daw ano.
Oy, pakisuportahan.
Taas ang sweldo ng 50,000 na.
Yung ganun na, yung 300 ano.
Oo, gano'n.
Yung Pepe, nabutan yung magandaan ng sound.
Sabi ko ba hindi na ano, hindi na.
Tama.
Sikat na
Ay,
sikat
may
na.
component na
Sikat na. Taas mo konti lang. Pag nag-Saudi ka.
Ano, Saudi rin ng papa ko.
Saudi ko. Nak.
Parang si Astro. Akin na, dali.
Ano ta? Halika.
Galing sa Tito Hector dyan, dali. Akin na, magaling ako
Ay,
dyan.
Daddy Hector.
Dali, dali.
Oh, alik. Ayan, dali.
Galing ako dyan, tatali natin yan.
Ang ganda.
Oo, sige ako, di ba ganyan yun? Tama yan, oh. Parang shoes lang yun eh, shoelace lang.
Ano ang gagawin ko? Sana'y nasa piling mo.
Meron na yata. 91 pa rin.
Sana'y hindi tayo magkalayo. Sana'y narinig mo.
Hawak lang ah.
Hindi ko kaya
Ang limutin kita. Mas
Isang kiss mo na, isang kiss, sabi ni Director. Yan.
pagkamatay.
Wala kayong sweldo. Pag ano.
Parang ano eh, no? Ako hindi kasi sir. Kailangan ng
Ay mahal
Hindi niya alam yan. Huwag mong bigyan ng idea. Bakit?
Puso.
Ginigising mo ang kamusmusan
Ang
eh.
kanyang katande eh.
Muling mahalin ang nagdaan, muling balikan,
Nawawala naman ako ng buhay sa'yo eh.
muling
Baka na tumaya ka.
Yan.
Tingnan mo. Alam yan. Ang dancing singer. Ano na ngayon? Joke na. Tinitake.
Joke na.
Nakatable na. Nakatable na.
gagawin ko
Paano makakakanta yan?
na sana sa piling mo.
Bakit maalala mo?
Sana hindi tayo nagkalayo. Sana'y mo. Hindi ko kaya.
Kaya? Ito lang.
Kita, basta mo lumuluha ang aking
O, kapa sa dibdib. Kapa sa dibdib.
kuman. Ako'y nasasaktan. Ang katotohanan
Ano ka?
ay mahal
Pa-blackmail ka na. Pa-blackmail ka na. Ako si Bong. Asa ni Bong? Hindi ko yan. Nanginginig na.
Basta't mo lumuluha ang aking mga mata. Pilitin ko man, ako'y nasasaktan. Ang katotohanan
Oh, i-email ko yan kay Pastor.
pa rin.
Wala ka pa namang absent.
Ano masakit sa'yo? Ano masakit?
Sa basa school.
Pwede mag-absent ka ng isang linggo.
O, kisule. Yan.
Pag hindi nag-absent.
Ay, hindi ko nakuha niyo.
Ay, di ba?
Ay, si Edith na. Nakasan lang yun. Sige po.
Wawasak lamang ang aking mundo.
Ituturo nyo ka.
Ngunit anong magagawa kung talagang ayaw mo na?
Ako na.
Sino ba naman ako pagapigilan ka?
Ayan, yung tumagin tayo.
Lumayo ka man ay maiiwan ang bakas ng aking pagmamahal. Hindi ko ayan na hindi kita makalimutan.
Pagkat ikaw
ang tanging
Ano yan?
ang tanging lahat.
ng aking puso, ng aking buhay. Ulit mo.
Namimiss ko ang halik mo. Namimiss ko bakit iniwan mo ako.
Gusto ko. May gusto ko. Luha.
Ayoko na, baby. Pag nakikita kang iba, naninimugo ako, baby.
Pag may kasama
Makang iba, kat ikaw ang aking lahat. Parang lasing eh, no?
Ayaw ng lugaw.
Ang halik,
sasaktan ako,
baby. Pag
sa tuwing nakikita
nakita ka, naninimugo ako, baby.
Asa
May
nag-move mo?
kasama kang iba. Pagkat ikaw ang tanging laman ng aking mundo, ng aking puso, ng aking buhay. Ang halik mo, namimiss ka. Ang halik mo,
Hindi ko na maalam yun eh.
namimiss ka. Bakit iniwan mo
Ay,
ako?
ikaw na, lawlaw na yung pantalong ko eh. Lawlaw na.
Tapos na.
Ay, hindi ko.
Ano yan? Hindi ko alam yan.
Ayan, anime yan, Jaynap.
Hindi ko alam yan.
Tingnan mo ah. Paano pag ano nito? Pause.
Hindi na alam yung
So, the boulevard of broken dreams.
Diba? Taka.
Gigolo and gigolette can take a kiss without regret, so they forget their broken dreams. You laugh tonight and cry tomorrow when you behold your shattered schemes. But gigolo and gigolette wake up to find their eyes are wet with tears that tell a broken dream. Here is where you always find me, always walking up and down, where I left my soul behind me, in an old cathedral town. The joy that you find here you borrow, you cannot keep it long it seems. But gigolo and gigolette still sing a song and dance along the boulevard of broken dreams.
Nakarayo yan.
Talaga na, background music.
Here is where you always find me, always walking up and down, where I left my soul behind me, in an old cathedral town. The joy that you find here you borrow, you cannot keep it long it seems. But gigolo and gigolette still sing a song and dance along the boulevard of broken dreams.
So, parang
By the way, yan din sila sumunod, di ba?
Mabait yan eh.
Ako yan.
nag-clear pa ng ano, lalamunan.
Kung ikaw ay akin, totoo sa aking
Yan,
panig.
Tayo!
Ngunit nang ikaw ay yakapin, naglalaho sa dilim.
Hindi na naman makita.
Dinais kong mapalapit sa'yo, dinais kong malaman mo ang mga paghihirap ko, baliwala lang sa'yo. Ikaw ay aking minahal, kasama ko may kapal, ngunit ako pala'y naging isang nagangad ng isang katulad mo.
tuloy na nga.
Sinta pa sunshine.
Kung hayaan mo sana, laging tapat sa'yo. Masdan mo.
Hindi sila nagpapanseto eh. O, paano yan, Matashi?
Come to me, take my hand, and be my slave.
Layaan mo na.
Truly I must let you
Ano
that I love you. All I want is you.
Sabi daw ni
How I want
Baylan daw
you.
ng meeting. Oo.
So please be my lady.
Baba konti, baba.
Maybe I could lose the
Patay
faith.
tayo dyan.
Dahil kayo naman yung ginawa ni Mari.
Tell me.
Kailangan, lagpasan mo yung ano. Ginawa ni ano.
Ay, ang ano?
That I want to
Ingiti ba tayo, Leon?
Maano?
something so
Masyadong wholesome. Wholesome na wholesome.
in your smile. Be my lady.
Natawa tuloy si Ed.
Just forget the past. It's time to mend your broken heart. No walls divide us now.
Hintay ni Bong yan.
So dry the tears in your eyes. Nothing can stop us now.
Ano? Jeep?
I'll give you all.
Tawagin ng mga bata, GP.
GP pang GP ba dapat?
GP lang
O
eh.
parental guidance?
Be my lady.
Umalis pa naman ako, kala ko ano pa rin.
You're the one that I am.
Dapat ikaw nag-interpret
So
na, nakaganyan
please
lang ako.
believe me. I can never find the courage to resist your charms. Nothing's more divine than each moment. You are mine. Be my lady. Just forget the past. It's time to mend your broken heart.
Talaga no.
No walls divide us now. So dry the tears in your eyes. Nothing can stop us now. I'll give you all
Ang bagay
I
sa'yo kanta yung ano,
Be my lady. Let the sun shine through your heart and make a brand new start.
kaya mo yan, okay, sige.
Stay with me night and day to the rest of my life, just like a work of art.
Naku, kakalatan mo sa
My love
Pilipinas
will
siya mga kuhang yan.
last and
Tumakbo natin. Pinadala sa shube. Eh di, ang tagal na inaano ni Bong yan, parang ano yung nire-record ulit?
just like a work of art.
Chop-chop lang ang pinapadala. Hindi mo pinapadala. GP na forward sa Pilipinas.
Ay, hindi, ano ko na, sa PN nyo, nakarating na yung mga ano natin, ano.
Ano yung mga sayaw-sayaw natin?
Oo, lahat.
Eh, yung sayaw yata, hindi ko yata na ano, yung sa snow tayo.
Huwag pangit tayo.
Nabagan ako.
Na-forward ko din yung mga sayo-sayo. Ganyan. Di na kailan at ako ay pagbigyan.
Bumigay!
Kailangan ko ang tunay na pag-ibig.
Tingnan natin kung sino ang magagalit si Tata o si ano ni Ari.
Magalit si Bea.
Bigay nyo.
Magalit si Lorna.
Bigay nyo sa akin email mamaya. Sa akin email ni Ganda.
Ako'y niyakap mo.
Tapos nagkatayo mo rin yan na bagay sa positive
Alas
yan.
lahat ang buto ko. Oh, babe, ako ay talagang patay sa'yo. Sa lula mo ako mahihimlay. Babe, ano nga bang tunay na sikreto mo? At ako ay napihag mo ng gusto. Oh, babe, isang ngiti mo lang.
Gustusan, simple naman kita dati pero ang ganda.
Ito, Regine Velasquez, tutulungan ko ikaw. Regine, no? Taas
Huwag
yan.
ka lamang
Paano yan,
tatawa. Baka ako'y malunod na.
Bigyan lang kita. Ligari.
Lea Salonga.
Ako ay
Nakalagay.
Lea Navarro. Lea Navarro. Tingnan natin.
Navarro Yoko. Mga siya, no?
Di ba nung habang tunay na sikreto
Hindi ako
mo
sulat.
at ako ay nabihag mo ng gusto.
Dad!
Gunting. Bakit? Ano gunting niya? Pwede yun.
Baby, sang ngiti mo na pawi na ang aking luhaw. Huwag ka lamang tatawa, baka ako'y malunod na.
Tuesday. Oo. Namatay, ano.
Bigyan tayo ng isang araw na ano, hindi kasi isang linggo ayaw. Walang kapatid.
Salamat na kayo dyan.
Nangyari talaga.
Kulang pa rin eh.
Kulang pa din. Susunod isang araw na nagbibigay sa atin.
Ito na natin yung-
Kukulit tayo eh.
Pero pang Tuesday pa lang ano. Hindi Wednesday.
Buhay na buhay ah. Luga uli!
I was down and
Ito na ang kanta
out
ngayon, di ba? Parang
and
international.
feeling so low.
Mare Marquez.
You took my
hand is my mind. Ano yung madam? Tama.
I was
astray. You showed me the way. Now I finally found my home in you.
And wala na.
Sige, ano yung madam? La 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 la.
Sige, sige. Kanina ba na ano ba yun?
La 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 la.
Wala na.
Sige na. I almost gave up.
Yan, buwan na.
You gave me hope.
Ayos na.
You made me strong as the days went on. You made me live again.
Buwan na.
I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along, took me home and made me your own.
Huwag may baba, ha? La 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 la.
To lend a helping hand
When
when good friends are hard to find. When things went wrong, you made them right. You made my days so bright. You made me live again.
Tuloy mo na.
I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came